In December 1955, Norman Vince took delivery of a brand new Matchless competition motorcycle. For 5 years he rode it in trials and scrambles. When he stopped competing, he used the bike as a road machine for the next 6 years. After that it was confined to the garage and not used. After Norman retired, he planned to restore the machine, but sadly passed away before his plan was started. His wife Joan approached the museum to ask if they could arrange to restore the bike. It was her wish to present the machine as a surprise for her son Peter, as a working memorial to his father. The Brooklands team of motorcycle volunteers agreed to take on the project. Volunteer Ted Lear was the project leader, and the bike was smuggled into the museum without Peter's knowledge. Work started in October 2009 and lasted until May 2011, by which time the project was complete and the machine looked as it did on the day it left the original London showroom. On the 13th of May, Mrs. Vince, her son Peter and 17 family members and friends paid a visit to Brooklands Museum. During the visit, Peter was confronted with the finished Matchless and told it was now his and ready to ride. As part of the handover ceremony, Mrs. Vince presented a cheque for £500 to the museum and for the volunteers a picnic hamper for the crew room. Duncan Headley, who looks after this bike, runs it on the steepest part of the members' bank.
This is a big port AJS, and it has Brooklands history. It is here on loan from the son of the original owner, a gentleman called Gardner. He raced it at Brooklands in the 30s. It is very unique in the fact that it's got special overhead valve gear, which was made by the original owner, and unfortunately he didn't get it finished before he died. The son and family put it on loan with the museum as they knew that their father would love to have had it there, and we asked for permission to finish it as a project, which we did. And again, it was quite an emotional event from the family to actually come and see the work of their grandfather and father being put into use. It's one of our mainstay bikes that we use at our outreach events, and it will be put to good use during this year.
The area used to demonstrate museum bikes during school holidays often features visiting machines like Graham Bentley's round tank BSA 250 and John Bottomley's 350 AJS sprint bike, which makes a nice noise for the spectators. John gets some advice from Duncan Headley about his Ducati. And Graham gets his BSA 250 into action. And here is the amazing little Wright-Craft scooter car built by the British Motorboat Company around 1936. This one was driven round the world in 1965 to 66 by an eccentric English aircraft draftsman, Jim Parkinson. And Peter Wells looks just the part as he coaxes 98 cc's of ancient Villiers engine round the arena.